Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given two formulas which are used in medicine to estimate the body's surface area, A, in square meters of infants and children whose weight, W, ranges between 3 and 30 kilograms and whose height, H, is measured in centimeters. That should say height. Based on Current's formula, which is A is equal to 4 plus W over 30, what is W in terms of A? So to solve this problem, we have to solve this equation for W. So we want to get W alone. The first step, we can get rid of this denominator. We can multiply everything by 30. So multiply this side by 30, multiply that side by 30. So this side we just have 30 times A is 30A. And then on this side, the reason we did this is because this 30 cancels out with this 30. We're left with 4 plus W. Again, we want to get W on its own. So if we subtract 4 from both sides, this disappears, cancels out, and we're just left with W is equal to 30A minus 4. So what is W in terms of A? W is equal to 30A minus 4, which lines up with lines up with A, which is saying the same thing. W is equal to 30A minus 4, just as the equation flipped, which obviously does not matter. A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.